Hello guys, this is Bhargav, pursuing Masters in Computer Applications at Aditya College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I am thrilled to present my Power BI dashboard project, Product Review Dashboard. This project is a demonstration of my skills in data visualization and analytics, showcasing insights derived from Amazon's product sales, discounts, and reviews. This dashboard provides actionable insights for stakeholders to make better business decisions. Let's begin by discussing how I created this dashboard step by step. To start, I imported the data into Power BI. I used the Get Data option, which allows us to connect to various data sources like Excel, SQL Server, or CSV files. After selecting the dataset, I loaded it into Power BI for further processing. Once the data was loaded, I proceeded to Power Query Editor to clean and transform the data. In this step, I removed null values, filtered out irrelevant data, and ensured all the columns had correct data types. For instance, I made sure that columns created calculated columns were necessary and ensured there were no duplicate values. Now let's move on to the measures I created using DAX to enhance the dashboard's functionality. For example, I calculated the total sales by summing up the actual price column. Similarly, I computed the total discounts by summing up the discounted price column. The average rating measure was derived by taking the average of rating column. Additionally, I created a discount percentage measure which divides the total discount by the actual price and multiples it by 100. These measures helped me summarize key insights at a glance. Once the data preparation was complete, I started building the visuals for the dashboard. Let me explain the visuals one by one. At the top of the dashboard, I included key performance indicators (KPIs) to display total rating count, total sales, total discounts, and average rating. These KPIs give me an immediate overview of the dataset. For example, the total rating count is 27 million and the average rating is 4.10, which indicates positive customer feedback overall. Below the KPIs, I created a bar chart to show the sum of discounted prices by categories. This chart highlights that electronics have the highest discounted prices, followed by home and kitchen products. Next to this, I added a pie chart showing the discount percentage distribution by category. From this, we can see that electronics contribute 38.29% to the total discounts, followed by home and kitchen at 35.05%. This helps in identifying the categories where the majority of discounts are being offered. Another important visual is the line chart that shows the relationship between ratings and locations. This chart reveals how customer satisfaction varies across different cities. For instance, Vizag has the highest ratings, followed by Pune and Mumbai. Understanding this helps business focus on maintaining customer satisfaction in high performing locations while improving service in others. I also included a clustered column chart comparing the actual price and discounts across the categories. This visual shows how much discount is being offered relative to the original prices, with electronics again leading the chart. Additionally, a column chart was added to analyze discounted price by location, allowing us to see the cities where the customers are benefiting the most from the discounts. To make the dashboard interactive, I incorporated slices for category, location, and date. These filters allow users to drill down into specific segments of data. For instance, stakeholders can select a particular category like a home and kitchen or a city like Delhi to analyze sales and discounts for that segment specifically. I also added a table that ranks locations by total sales. From this table, we can see the Mumbai has the highest sales, followed by Kolkata and Pune. In conclusion, this dashboard provides a comprehensive view of sales, discounts, and customer satisfaction. It highlights key trends such as dominance of electronics in sales and discounts and identifies top performing locations. By leveraging these insights, business can optimize their sales strategies, focus on high performing categories, and enhance customer satisfaction in underperforming regions. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your feedback and suggestions to improve my skills further.